Thanks for joining us on this Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Leonard Josiah with a look at your tropical weather update. I'm going to be starting by giving you a wider snapshot as to the open Atlantic Ocean. This is your wider Atlantic view, visible satellite imagery. Here, the British Virgin Islands and the Leeward Islands, Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. We're looking at the whole wider Atlantic Ocean, even right out to the coast of Africa. Some clouds just to the west of the coast of Africa, indicative of the intertropical convergence zone. High pressure out here, but there is a line of clouds just to the northeast of the island chain, indicative of what we call a broken stationary trough. It's weakening, by the way. It's not forecast to do anything significant, but in terms of tropical activity, nothing much into the way of a tropical development. Remember that the month of November it closes off the Atlantic hurricane season, so nothing out there, but we're seeing some clouds closer to home, which I will talk to you in just about a minute or two. The National Hurricane Center is suggesting that the next couple of days, right in this general location right here, there may be some tropical storm activity or tropical cyclone activity, not necessarily going to be impacting us in the Leeward Islands and the Eastern Caribbean. However, the islands of the Western Caribbean, including Jamaica, Cuba, etc., would want to keep their eyes on the tropical development in that general location. Closer to home, you're seeing all these amount of clouds right now, showers and some thunderstorm activity in the vicinity of Puerto Rico, the United States, and the British Virgin Islands. Some cloudy skies even stretching as far west as Hispaniola. But for us here in Antigua and Barbuda, the Leeward Islands, not much doing at all, but islands further towards the south, including the Windward Islands, Barbados, and Trinidad and Tobago, the intertropical convergence zone with some moisture and some breezy conditions, whipping up some clouds, and because of that, they're having a higher chance of showers over the southern Windward Islands and Barbados and Trinidad and Tobago. You're seeing some patches of low-level clouds moving towards the west. Some of those clouds are forecast to be in our general location during the course of today, but the moisture content of the atmosphere just east of the islands is not going to be helping with respect to significant rainfall activity. But watch out just for the passing light, brief passing tropical shower. That's all I'll certainly give you as you go on into the weekend. So let's talk a little bit more about where that particular area is forecast. You're looking at your simulated satellite imagery over the next couple of days. Here we're looking at the Leeward Islands and Eastern Caribbean islands. You're looking as far west as Hispaniola and Jamaica, but the area to watch is in this general location. The clouds will be bundling up right there sometime during the course of early next week, and because of that, we're keeping our eyes on this general location. Some development is likely to impact these islands here if the model data is correct. So the western half of the region will certainly want to pay some closer attention. We're not forecasting anything to impact us. All these clouds that you're seeing here during the course of the weekend is more or less likely to be in the region of the medium to high level cloud and not significant rainfall producing. So let's turn our attention to your 4-day forecast. For us here in Antigua and Barbuda, a 60% chance of a shower today, Friday. But for your weekend planning, the chances of showers get less and less as we go on into Monday. A moderate chance of a shower on Saturday. Winds out of the east at between 12 to 14 miles per hour. Your daytime high still peaking as high as 90 in some places, with cooler nighttime temperatures. Cooler nighttime temperatures. We have not been saying that for a long time, but the cooler nighttime temperatures in some spots will sink as low as 23 or 73. If you're in Montserrat, we're giving you the same chances of showers, but slightly cooler daytime highs with your nighttime temperatures 24 or 75. The region of showers between 20 and 60%, higher chance of showers on Friday, but for your weekend planner on Montserrat, the chances of showers gets less and less. Similar weather conditions tell the tale if you're in St. Kitts and Nevis. We're looking at for a moderate chance of showers today on Friday, gets less as we go on into the weekend, Sunday and on Monday. Your daytime highs at 31, your night times at 24. Anguilla, the very same condition conditions, the chances of showers get less and less. If you're in the British Virgin Islands, however, higher chances of showers lingering for today, Friday, and on Saturday. By the time we get into Sunday and Monday, the chances of showers get less and less. Take a look at your daytime highs. If you're in the United States and British Virgin Islands, a maximum temperatures of 31 or 88. We're looking for a cooler nighttime temperatures of 24 or 75. Remember, as your trusted weather source and your weather authority for the Leeward and British Virgin Islands, always follow this page at the Antigua and Barbuda Meteorological Services. And as I always say, you keep weathering your weather. In spite of the weather, whether you like it or not, I'm Leonard Josiah wishing you a safe and restful weekend.